the all-new Traxxas Spartan SR self-riding boat and the all-new boat trailer from Traxxas that can haul your Spartan SR, your Spartan, or your M41 boat. Let me get them out of the box and I'll tell you all about them. We'll get started with the boat first. As I take this out of the box, I'll let you know that the price on this is $449.95. It is ready to run, fully assembled with the controller. It does not include the batteries or the charger. To run this, you will need two 3S LiPos. It is a 6S system. The boat does come with a Traxxas TQI controller. This boat is advertised at going speeds of up to or and over 50 miles per hour. Included in the box is a stand for the boat. I'm not going to take that out at this time. Also, in the box is included a special tool to get the canopy off of this boat so that you can access where the batteries go. This one differs from the regular Spartan in that because it is self-riding, it will flip over, and there is now a seal around here to keep water from penetrating and going into the hull. So looking at the overall length of this is a 36-inch yardstick, and the boat itself is a little bit longer than this. So this is somewhere around, including the prop and everything back here, this would be right around 40 inches long. What makes this thing special and so unique is that when I pop open the hull here, first when you look underneath here, you'll notice that the batteries do get mounted right here in the center. It does run the Castle VXL 6S speed controller. You can see the marine motor here. It is a 6S motor that Traxxas runs in their other 6S boat, the M41 and the original Spartan. The receiver box is inside here as well, and it's all waterproof and sealed in here, and the receiver box is sealed inside another waterproof container. You look right here, it is running the Traxxas 2056 waterproof servo. What makes this thing so unique is, as you can see here, when this thing capsizes, this section of the hull will fill with water, and then as the boat tips over, it will then self-right, and then once you take off again, all that water will then spill out from here, and that's what gives this the self-righting capability. Now we'll take a look at the trailer. The trailer, I'll let you know that this does retail for $199.95, so basically $200. The boat and the trailer together, right around $650. It looks like it's already set up out of the box for the Spartan, and they do have other parts in here so that you can mount the M41. The rails of this trailer are steel, and it is a triple axle trailer. So what good is a trailer if you can't pull it with something? Included in the box, you're gonna find the trailer hitch with a variety of hitch balls here of different heights, so that if you are running a lifted truck or a lower truck, you can definitely hook it up with this system here. Taking a close look up front, then you can see right up here, it does have the tow hook right here on the front of the boat. Right up front here, it does have a little rubber strap that you can hook up your boat to the trailer and keep it secure while you're towing it around. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing hooked up to a vehicle. We're gonna take it out and we're gonna test drive it right now.
Go ahead. There it goes. There it goes. Really? Wait for it while he's trying to get himself right. There it goes. Ah, you're kidding. Yeah, I can imagine. Oh, you did it. All right, guys, that's it. That's the unboxing and the demo of the brand new Spartan SR boat from Traxxas, as well as the trailer. I hope you enjoyed it. My impressions of this right out of the box, I mean, fantastic. You saw what it did. It just rips. Self-righting feature is fantastic. Just a whole lot of fun. Definitely want to get yourself an extra set of batteries. Keep those on hand. Get this out to the river, out to the lake, and you'll be having a great time all day long. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and follow for more videos.